Hey everybody. Just wanted to come in and give a quick update on how things are going with me and my trading. Um, Personal life is going pretty good. Still, you know, doing the trucking thing, so it's not as good as it could be. I'm still uh, stuck working way too many hours a week. Um, but that is what it is until the end of the lease on this truck. And then the goal is to be trading full time by that point, um, and retire from trucking. And that end date is February of 2025. Um, it may come sooner, depends on how things continue. Um, but yeah, I mean, it's a good living. Uh, I don't completely hate my job, but I've been out here long enough and really just don't want to be doing it anymore. Um, Hence why I got into trading uh, a little over 2.5, 3 years ago, almost 3 years, I think now. Um, so yeah, uh, but as far as the trading side, I couldn't ask for any better uh, results over the last few weeks. If you guys have been keeping up with it uh, on my daily posts, you'll see that my funded account is doing amazingly well. And let me say that I don't post this every day or showing you this now to brag. Um, Literally, I hope it inspires any of you that watch this video or that see my profit and loss posts every day. All I'm really wanting to do is inspire everyone to just become a better trader than they were yesterday. Um, but the funded account, TradeZella, I use for just my funded account, and any future funded accounts that I may have. Um, I don't put my combine trades in here or my evaluation trades in here or paper trades in here, because these are the accounts that matter. These are the ones we get paid on, and these are the ones I need to know, you know, all of my stats. I need to see, the areas that I can improve in, um, and the areas that I'm doing well in. Right now, my win percentage is almost at 50%, and that's the best score I have on my Zella score is my win percentage. Because not only am I, 59% winning trade percentage, but I have not had a losing day yet. I am still at a 100% uh, win rate on my end of day balance. The profit factor is doing pretty good, at 1.58. It's not the best it could be. Um, I've lost $18,589 over 32 losing trades, but I've won $29,322 in my winning trades. Okay, so that could be better. Um, you know, that's an area that I really can work on a little bit is cutting trades early, cutting trades faster for smaller losses, and looking for a better entry point in that setup. Um, so yeah, I think a lot of that also is stopping a majority of my scalp trades. I do still take small scalps here and there, and usually I will take two to three losers before I catch the winner. On the scalp trades, yes, I do cut those trades off really fast. But profit factor is something that I can work on a little bit. You know, if I were to cut out even half of those losing trades, that's another $9,000 added to my profit and loss. So, uh, yeah, definitely need to work a little bit to get that back up. Um, and a lot of that, you know, my reward over risk is below two. I would really like that to be two or better. And again, I think a lot of that is in my scalping or my shorter uh, time period trades. Um, the A+ setups that I trade, I'm usually in those for about an hour or so, and those trades definitely give me more than 2 to 1 reward over risk. Um, so those are the ones I need to start focusing on more and cutting out some of the other trades that I'm doing and see if I can get this number up and get this number up a little bit. So this shows 8 trading days, but this was the market open on Sunday for the Asia session. So I kind of count these 2 days as one single day. Um, but averaging a little over $1,000 a day, a couple of small days in there. This day I was actually down in the morning. Then I caught a good trade that I ended up with $438 in profit. And because I didn't feel I was trading all that well, I just went ahead and said, you know what, that's it. I'll take the 438 and call it a day. Um, this day, I think I made a little bit more than 1,000, but ended up giving a little bit back and said that's enough. I'm not going to risk any more, giving any more back. I'll take the $712 walk. Everything else was pretty easy trading days, and I don't want to say easy, but I didn't take much drawdown on these days. I pretty much went straight to my profit target of $1,000 or more, closed the trade, and uh, cut myself off from trading uh, the funded account for the rest of that day. So the funded account is doing fantastic. This is actually a little bit more than what I actually have. I think I have 10,600 and change in the actual account. I don't think TradeZella is counting commissions. Uh, so, this will always look a little bit more. I need to check on the commissions part and see, and then set those commissions up so it's a little bit more accurate. Um, as far as my combines, I still have 12 combines at Top Step. I did have 13 until this morning when I passed a 50K. Uh, so I got to pay that activation fee tonight and get that account started. Um, so I still have 12 combines working. Apex, obviously, I've been focusing on the funded account. I have 10 combines over there, only one of, or 9 combines since I passed this one. Um, Only one of those other 9 are still eligible for trading. The other 8 are blown, waiting for the rebill, uh, for those to reset. Um, I blew a couple of $50,000 accounts at Top Step today. I passed one $50,000 and I made $3,700 in one of the 150s. So all in all, a really great day. That's 47. It's over $5,000 in profit, and then you know, max daily loss on 4. So that's $4,000 in losses. Um, but this is the account that matters. The combines, I trade them high risk for the most part until I get them close to passing, and then I slow down. Uh, so I expect to blow the majority of those Uh, and when you have, 22 combines, it's really hard to trade them slowly. Um, so I just take my chances, sometimes and trade more aggressively than I should. But I could basically, fail a combine a day and I would have combines rebilling and resetting before I blew all of my combines. So, because there's only 20 trading days in a month, and I currently have 22 um, combines available, plus now two funded accounts to trade as well. So, the focus is always on the funded accounts first in the day. And then once I make my money in my funded accounts, then I will go look for opportunities to take trades in my combines, um, and try to get those passed. So I do have the one 150K combine that is, at $3,700 worth of profit. So that one I will focus on a little bit more diligently, trade a little less risky, because now it has a good profit in it. I want to keep that profit moving towards getting that one passed. Um, so yeah, that's it for me, guys. Uh, life is good. God is good. And, uh, we got 3 trading days left in the week. So should be a good week. Got some good news coming out towards the end of the week to throw some volatility into the markets. So let's see what happens. See everybody later.